Every car requires regular maintenance. Neglecting important replacements can lead to expensive repairs or even critical failures. Today, we will discuss 5 essential car parts that should be replaced after a specific mileage to keep your vehicle running smoothly. The air filter should be changed every 15,000 to 30,000 kilometers. However, if you drive in dusty areas, it's best to replace it more often. A dirty air filter reduces engine efficiency, increases fuel consumption, and can even cause engine misfires. Keeping it clean ensures optimal performance and better fuel economy. A fuel filter usually lasts between 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers, but it depends on fuel quality and driving conditions. A clogged fuel filter can lead to poor engine performance, hard starting, and even fuel pump failure. Replacing it regularly helps maintain smooth fuel flow and engine efficiency. A timing belt should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 kilometers, depending on the manufacturer's recommendation. A timing chain lasts longer but still requires inspection after 150,000 kilometers. If a timing belt breaks, it can cause severe engine damage, sometimes requiring a complete engine rebuild. Replacing it on time prevents catastrophic failures. Shock absorbers typically last 60,000 to 100,000 kilometers, but if you notice a bumpy ride or unusual noises, it's time for a checkup. Worn-out shock absorbers reduce handling and braking efficiency, making your car less stable on the road. Replacing them improves comfort and safety. Brake fluid should be changed every 2 years or 40,000 kilometers, as it absorbs moisture over time, reducing braking efficiency. Old brake fluid can lead to brake failure, especially under heavy braking. Fresh fluid ensures reliable and responsive braking performance. Regularly replacing these parts helps maintain your car's performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. Always follow your manufacturer's recommendations and don't ignore warning signs. Stay tuned for more maintenance tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Stay tuned for the next episode.